Easy Tiger. From birth to around 4 to 5 months, or when baby is too big or long. If the sling is on your left shoulder, start with baby in the burping position, high up on the opposite shoulder. Slide your left hand across your body, underneath and through the sling, taking hold of both of baby's feet. Pull baby down slightly and at the same time lift the top railing up to meet baby. Using your left hand still, lower baby's feet down and to the right, across towards the right side of your body. By placing baby's feet correctly first, the rest of the baby's body will follow easily. As a guide, baby's bottom or back should be in the middle of the sling. To check this, put your hand into the pocket. Your fingers should be touching baby's bottom or lower back, depending on your baby's size. Use your right hand to support baby's head as you place them into position. The upper railing can be used to support the back of baby's neck, and the excess fabric, which can be found in the pleat at the top of the sling, can be then pulled up to support the rest of baby's head. Adjust baby's position so you are both comfortable. If this doesn't feel right, you may need to take baby out and try again, maybe adjusting the straps and position. Safety tip. Check that baby's chin is off their chest, that they are close enough to kiss, and that they are in view at all times. Check baby at regular intervals and take care not to cover baby's face with the excess fabric. Breastfeeding in the Baba Sling is simple and quick. Simply pull the sling off the shoulder slightly onto the upper arm so as to bring baby's head level to your breast. For privacy whilst feeding, pull the top railing up. Everyone has their own technique, so experiment and find what works best for you. To take the sling off, simply take your left hand up and over to meet the buckles. Hold baby safely and securely with your right hand. Lift up baby slightly in the sling so as to take the weight of your baby. With your left hand, unclip both buckles. The sling is now unfastened and you are free to take the sling off without disturbing baby.